Hi everyone, today I would like to introduce how to use search to do packet capture on iOS devices. This session includes 3 parts. 1. What is search? 2. A demonstration that using search to capture Amazon app. 3. Search configuration. So let's go. At first, what is search? Search is an iOS app which provides a very powerful feature on network monitoring. The best is it can run on any iOS device individually. In past, to monitor network traffic of a mobile device, we have to start Fiddler or Charles in a separate machine and connect the mobile with it. With Search, any operation can be done in the mobile device. To capture HTTPS request response, Search provides MITM, man-in-the-middle attack, to decrypt the package. Search is a free app with in-app purchase, but to enable advanced functions, like HTTPS capture, you have to upgrade to Pro version. For more detail, please check the website www.nsurge.com. Let's start to use search to sniff the Amazon app. The goal is to find where the Amazon app gets the category list and where the app gets the item data. First, let's open search. Click Start button to start sniffing. Search will start a VPN and all network will pass it. Now, let's switch to Amazon app. Open it, click Department, select Books, Children Books, and Classic. Now, let's browse more books. You may notice the app using endless scroll model to load in the data. Okay, let's switch to search. Click Stop to stop it. The package is stored in saved sessions. Now let's start analysis work. First, open the saved sessions. You will see a list that listing all packages we just described. In here, we can see the request type, time, size, and status. If captured a picture, a small thumbnail is showing here. The list is sorted by time descent. Let's move to the start place to find the APIs. From our experience, a mobile app likely to use JSON as data format. So let's focus on a URL with JSON format. See, this is. Open it, we can see very detailed data about the packet, include the request and response, header and body. Search can reorganize the format of the data. For this one, it is a JSON. Let's open it in JSON way. From the content, we believe this is the category API. We found the first target. Back to the previous page, we can export this packet to outside ISO1 file. Or we can save the request header as a CURL command. Now let's find the next one, Item Listing API. As seen before, the second one is also found. From the parameter of the URL, this is for page 4. Its content is a big JSON, contains detailed information of each item, includes the name, item number, and the price. Let's export it too. From the file system, we can find the file we just exported, a zip, which contains all header information. Now the capture is completed. At the last, I will introduce how to configure the search. To enable capture the HTTPS request, you need to do the following. 1. Enable the HTTP capture function. 2. Enable the MITM function. you will be prompted to install a new certificate to your device. You have to do it. Open the Certificate Manager, generate a new CA, and install it by following the guided steps. Now back to the iOS settings. General, About, Certificate Trust Setting. Trust the newly installed certificate. Done. Back to search. Click the host names under the MITM section. Create a new rule determining which domain should be captured. Here we put an asterisk to capture all domains. Now, all configuration work completed. You can start to use search. Above is how to use search. Hope this video can help you on mobile app packet capture. Thanks and bye.